Why would you go to a bank, get a 6% interest loan, and not have a trailer, not have a tri-pack, not have freight, have to pay a broker, all this stuff, when you can get into one of these trucks at Hurricane Express, 0 interest, you pay a flat truck payment every single month, and honestly, that's about it. 24 months, you can own one of these 389s, looking good. You can stay with us, you can go somewhere else after you pay the truck off. People have made that decision one way or another. But listen, at Hurricane Express, we offer a very clear path to ownership in a shorter time frame than anyone else. Let's go.